Welcome to Baz Travels. If you value these 8K immersive tours, please subscribe and like the video. It only takes a few seconds. Your support is the only way I can keep this channel going and continue bringing you these high quality experiences. Thank you for being here. Moving westward from the industrial memories of the riverfront, we transition towards a space that represents Savannah's most ambitious modern evolution, the Plant Riverside District. To get there, we pass through the shadow of the Hyatt Regency, a building that in the late 1970s signaled Savannah's first major pivot towards becoming a global tourism destination. But as we walk, the atmosphere begins to shift from the weathered bricks of the 19th century to a polished, repurposed industrialism of the 21st. The journey leads us towards the African American Monument. This is perhaps the most significant site on the entire waterfront, as it addresses the core of Savannah's complex history. For centuries, this river was not just a conduit for cotton and timber, it was the entry point for thousands of enslaved people. To stand here is to acknowledge that the very wealth and architectural beauty we have admired throughout this walk was often built upon the labor and suffering of those who were denied their own freedom. The monument features a family clutching one another with broken shackles at their feet, serving as a powerful representation of survival and resilience. Just beyond this point, we enter the Plant Riverside District. This area is anchored by the former Savannah Electric Power Plant, a massive brick structure that once hummed with the energy needed to light the city. Today it has been transformed into a power plant of entertainment. The architecture here is a masterclass in preservation. The twin smokestacks still dominate the skyline, serving as a beacon that draws people towards the river's western end. What was once a closed-off industrial site is now a vibrant, high-energy extension of the waterfront, filled with curated galleries, fossils, and a distinct upscale energy. The Plant Riverside District represents the new Savannah. It's a place where the city's industrial bones have been reclad in luxury and art. As you walk through the district, you see how the massive turbines and the brickwork have been integrated into a modern aesthetic. It's a bold statement that Savannah is not a city frozen in the 1800s, but a place that can take its hardest, most utilitarian history and reinvent it for a new generation. This location brings our riverfront journey to its conclusion. We have walked from the site of the first colonial landing, past the counting houses of the cotton factors, through the somber memorial of the global conflict, and into the vibrant reclaimed energy of the modern city. Savannah is a city of layers, architectural, economic, and social. To truly know this place, one must see the iron bridges of Factor's Walk, but one must also stand at the river's edge and reflect on the full spectrum of the human experience that has unfolded here. As the river continues its steady flow towards the Atlantic, it carries with it the stories of all those who have stood on the banks, reminding us that Savannah is a city forever anchored in its history while always reaching for the future.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.